Yo, what's up everybody? um, Today my topic is about, I was trying to make it how to make better videos, like what software you need to use to make better videos on YouTube. But nowadays, you have Facebook, Watch, IGTV, and all those platforms. Even LinkedIn nowadays, growing, it's a platform to gain attention. So how to make a better quality videos, what software you need to use. If you want to use it for free, I'm gonna talk for Mac users, also for the Windows. Windows Movie Maker, that's free. But you cannot make really good videos because you will get for what you paid for. If it's free, you cannot expect better quality. Like, if it's free, it means you're gonna get you're not gonna get the professional quality. And if you are using a Mac, if you are a Mac user, that's what is that? iMovie Maker. It come with Mac. That's much better than Windows, but it's actually professional as well. Apple give it for free, and it's really good quality videos you can make. The second thing is Camtasia. If you are a Windows user, Camtasia is best, and also it's available for Mac as well. So Camtasia is better one, paid one, and the one I use, my favorite one is ScreenFlow. What's best about it is like, I make a lot of when I have another channel called Engineer 11 Explains. I make a lot of educational tutorials and stuff. The best thing about ScreenFlow is you can take the audio. You can actually edit the audio on that. Like, you can edit everything within that software. ScreenFlow is actually Camtasia also like that, but ScreenFlow make it much easier, like much simpler, and it's my favorite. It's like $100 or something, but I managed to get it for free. I found out some YouTube guys explain how to get it for free, and I end up getting it for free. After I getting that, man, everything was amazing. The educational videos I'm making, it was amazing, because before I was using QuickTime Player, but it was, it's not much efficient and very professional as very good as ScreenFlow. After I get ScreenFlow, it was amazing. And if you are really want to make very professional videos, Adobe CC, it has, like, what is the best about it is it has a lot of features. Like, let's say you want to edit a photo, you use Adobe Photoshop. You see how much editing you can do for a photo in that single software. The same way you can do video editing with Adobe CC Premiere, I guess. Adobe CC Premiere is that name. That one is very professional. If you are doing a big project, that's better. But if you want to make simple videos like this and stuff, I prefer ScreenFlow. That's best. ScreenFlow is much better. That's my favorite one. See you guys later.